Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the No Parts James Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the No Parts James Dildo itself. Here are some useful measurements about this James Dildo. It has a total length of 15 centimeters. It has an internal length of 10 centimeters and an inside diameter of 3 centimeters. Now, this is a hollow dildo that's worn over the penis, and its size makes it perfect for beginner users. It has a realistic design with a slight curve and has a vaned, flexible shaft for added stimulation. The inside has a smooth texture, and the entire dildo is made of body-safe silicone, and it also features a wide base. Now, when using this James dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and of course make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the No Parts James Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.